This is Cars and Bids.
I'm Kenan.
I'm Filippo.
I'm Nick.
And today we're doing a challenge
About
special editions. They're going to show us a special edition. We have to identify it. Are you ready?
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's do it. Okay, special edition challenge. There are 11 special edition cars prepared on the slideshow, cars that have been auctioned on Cars and Bids.
Okay.
And we're going to see the car, and we have to write down the name of the special edition. Not the car, but the special edition involved. Okay,
Great.
is everybody ready?
Excellent.
Okay.
Number one, pull it up for us. Oh, easy for me and Nick.
Yes. Don't listen to my writing.
It's a lot of writing. One second. I got to think now. The amount of writing is the concerning part.
Yes, I wrote Sacagawea.
That was the
like I'm
longest
right.
word you could come up with.
Yeah.
All right.
You ready? You ready?
I think so.
All right.
I don't know.
Flip it over. ALMS, right?
ALMS.
Nah, I
I
messed that
forgot
up.
the A. Isn't ALMS what you did the ice bucket challenge for?
Wait, what did you guys write? You wrote
Millennium Edition. I didn't know what it
Millennium
was.
Edition.
ALMS.
You wrote ALMS. You got it. I'm gonna give it to you, but
Thanks.
Nick, if you keep
Just-
forgetting letters, you're gonna lose this challenge. I'm
What,
telling you that.
what? How did you forget the A? It's crucial.
It struck me as slightly off, but
Hey, Doug, what is the ALMS edition?
American Le Mans series.
Oh,
It was
great.
a special edition, Nimbus Gray. I'm
Yes.
making that up.
that won the ALMS like 10 times.
To commemorate Audi's desire to compete in ALMS.
Well,
It wasn't an
Obviously, he only
homologation
knew
car.
it.
It was just a commemorative
Yeah.
edition.
Yeah, it was commemorative. And by 02, the TT was getting old. They were trying to get him out the door.
This looks so good. So.
Okay, so we all got one on that. except
Did
for
we
Kenan.
give Nick that point?
Yeah, we
Yeah.
did. Yeah, we give him
All
a
right.
point.
We're nice people around here.
We'll see.
Generous.
If you do this again, though. Okay, next one. Oh, easy.
That's the car in Street Fighter that they cut in half.
What?
What?
Is that true?
Yeah, remember the sumo guy?
They
Chops
cut an Acura Legend Trek edition in half?
Nice.
Kenan's over there like, ooh, Acura Legend Trek edition. This is an easy one. Don't look at me.
I'm not. I'm looking at you, not your answer.
You're looking at my answers. You can see my answers in
Yeah,
the
and
tip
the
frog.
reflection of the tip frog behind you.
Okay, everybody got it?
No, but I'm trying.
I actually am not super
I know
confident here.
I know nothing
Do you know
about
what kind
limited
of car
edition
it is?
cars. Of course, I know what it is.
Celsior.
but I think I even know what the chassis is on it. Is
Okay.
it XF100? I think.
You ready? Flip 'em, Coach Edition.
Coach Edition.
No,
He wrote
eh,
Dentist
exact-
Edition. Lovely.
I wrote executive
Correct
edition.
answer is-
And
Coach
Kenan had executive
Kenan had
edition.
Executive Edition. You had
Coach,
Coach
of
Edition.
course.
Me
Oh.
and you.
In my
Wow.
head, the Coach edition was tan. I don't know why.
Really carried a
That- that-
premium
that-
over
that's
other
what, like,
LS400s.
Let me tell you something. It came with a set of luggage.
That
Just
is
like
cool.
the Carrera GT.
It came with a set of luggage, just like the Carrera GT.
On this one, you could actually afford to use it.
Yeah, and
Maybe.
everybody did, and none of those cars are still reunited with their luggage.
Sad.
Okay, next one. Doug is way ahead.
We're tied.
Oh, easy.
Yeah.
Actually, don't. Oh no, I remember.
You know.
I don't have to spell out the
You
Quadra
don't,
Formaggio.
you don't have to put the name of the car.
The Quadra Formaggio.
I
Why
know,
does he
I-
do this to us? Of course, Sean puts an alpha. He has to.
He
put an
has to. Our producer owns an Alpha. He wishes he owned this Alpha, but sadly he does not.
It's a pretty cool one.
Okay, everybody ready? Oh no, we're not ready.
So,
How much did he write it?
He wrote Quadrifolio.
Why?
He hasn't even started the name. of the special
because
edition.
I know how to
Single-
spell it,
Well,
but-
of course I know how to spell it too.
well, I know you speak the language. He doesn't know how to spell it, and Doug, it's 50-50.
Mamma mia.
All right, let's go.
And flip 'em.
N-
N-Ring edition. This
Nope.
is N-Ring edition.
Edition.
That is the truth.
Is there not a hypothesis?
No.
No, but you.
He's
fine.
yeah.
They
Let's
didn't want to
have
say Nürburgring. They
Shouldn't
realized,
it be? Because it's short for Nürburgring. Shouldn't there be a little?
Yes.
Yes.
But they
Yes.
realized that calling the car Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifolio Nürburgring Edition would be too long, so
Yep.
they took out Berg.
Yep.
Remember in newspapers you had to pay per letter for your classified
Yeah,
ad?
yeah.
Maybe it was like that.
Kenan, what did you put?
I don't even remember.
Trofeos that
Trofeos that
Has Kevin got any points?
Nope.
No,
Isn't that a
I don't
Maserati?
know anything about limited
Yeah,
edition
Trofeos.
cars. I don't
This
really
is what do you
care.
mean? The BMW M5 Silver Star Edition.
Is this not a car you care about? It's the sportiest Alfa
What
Romeo
about,
Giulia
what about the
Quadrifoglio.
40 Jare Edition?
No, I think those are so dumb.
What's the score? I'm way ahead, right?
We've got me. We're tied on this one.
You scare me.
You-
Okay,
as
next
I
one,
should.
please. Next one.
What?
Yes.
Don't
yes.
pretend.
Yes. Yes, I know what it is.
Don't pretend. Move your head, Doug. Other way.
I got it right here. I got my head in the frame.
I don't remember what the.
I'm not even sure if this is a BRZ or
Okay,
a,
there's
It's got a
a badge.
Toyota
Toy
logo
badge
on it.
literally on it. Even I know that.
it's sexy.
What did they call
It is.
Yeah.
The new this car is attractive, especially this edition, the Panda edition. Okay, can we flip or we haven't written anything? Nobody. Flip hasn't even written a
Just
word.
imagine you work at Strad Pizza, you're delivering pies in this.
All right.
Pretty great.
Imagine.
does it exist?
Imagine.
It could be you.
Hopefully. I could be so lucky.
All right. What is
All right, ready? Flip. I said Torino edition, which I think is right.
Torino.
What
I
is the
said
correct
TS.
answer? What is the correct answer?
it?
Torino edition. Yes. You just wrote GR86. You
Yep.
wrote TS.
TS, which is
GR edition. They're all the GR.
they all JR edition. Yeah. Doug, I'm proud of you for taking the lead.
Whoo! I haven't missed one yet.
I'm very proud of you. Our viewers are too. Nick is too.
Nick, Kenan still has none. Nick got one.
No.
Two. Nick got two.
Nick
Because-
is too.
Okay.
All right.
These have been cards you care about generally.
No, because I don't believe because there's like little things that don't actually make a difference to make a car special when it actually isn't, and that's how I feel about this car.
That's not how we feel about the Lamborghini Diablo Night and Day edition. What was that called?
Oh no, it was the sunrise and sunset.
Sunrise and sunset.
Which dumb. They were just different colors. I've driven one of those. It drives like any other Diablo 6.0. Ugh, no,
Yeah,
that's
but it was
stupid.
sunrise and sunset.
Stupid.
All right, next one, please. Let's
go.
Oh yeah. Oh yes, I know this well. I was there.
The Nautica edition.
Nope.
That I do know.
I know this. Why can I not? Like, it's like somewhere. I can feel it trying to bubble up.
You know, you like look at it really hard too, like that's gonna make a difference. Again, no.
There were two special editions on this car, by the way. I'm quite certain it's this one, but there was another one that was also, you know, a cynical attempt to sell cars they couldn't.
Do you want
otherwise
to give
sell.
us a hint?
Yeah, the hint is you won't get it.
I remember this car.
The car's Buick Regal.
You know, I remember this specific car.
I
being
got that
auctioned.
much.
I remember the car too. Had a 3800. The Century only had a 3100.
What was the edition? What was the edition?
What's your
I'm gonna go with something that sounds upscale.
Yeah. They were like, we gotta
Yeah.
try to convince people.
Was this the one that was all red inside? No.
Yeah, it's called the All Red Inside. It's actually,
Yeah,
called,
alright.
it's actually called the Someone Got Murdered in Here edition. Biohazard.
The pop edition.
The Mafia hit car.
Mafioso.
I don't know.
Yeah. All right, everybody ready to flip?
Yep.
I believe it's the Buick Regal Joseph Abood
You are
special
correct.
edition.
I
There
think you're
was the
correct.
Olympic edition as well.
Yeah.
Joseph Abood.
Yeah.
That's right.
I went for Hugo Boss.
He went with Hugo Boss. What did you guys have?
Masters edition.
Park Avenue, it just sounded nice.
Park
Well, Park
Avenue
Avenue
edition.
is a
That was
different
like
actual car.
a different car.
I knew it was
So
some.
they did a Park Avenue
Joseph
and then a
Abood.
Regal Park Avenue edition.
Well, again,
Joseph Abood.
He was a designer.
Okay, that's what I thought.
And
I
the-
was
the
trying to think of the
interior of
right
this car-
brand.
He's like a men's warehouse designer of suits.
So is Hugo Boss.
He's probably got a
that's
bunch
where.
of-
Hugo Boss is kind of nicer though. Joseph Abood is like buy one get one
Let me tell
free.
you, they're both heavily on sale at every Macy's around the country.
That's exactly what it
He's
is.
got a bunch of Joseph Abood's closet is what he's trying to say. He bought it at thrift store.
Again, really brought the premium here at $9,322.
Let me tell you something. I think the Abood cars were blown. They were supercharged. But most importantly, and this is the really crucial thing, they had a finely stitched leather interior.
Wow.
Yeah,
Like a nice suit.
that's finally stitched as a Buick factory could do.
Not sure. Not sure exactly what order these come out. We just finished talking about the Solon Brunei cars. So underwhelmed by all of these cars.
Yeah, it's a Buick Regal.
All right,
Right.
give us the next one. I haven't missed one. Oh, come on.
Okay,
Easy.
even I know
That's
that
Nick's
one.
dream car.
Doug has reviewed one of these.
Yes, although not this one.
Didn't you review this one?
Yeah, but there were differences that Nick and I are aware of and that you're not.
What?
This
That
is
was
the one to get to with the two-tone.
But, okay, well, let's flip. Go, we ready?
Yep.
Harley
Davidson edition. Finally, got one. I'm glad
Harley
I got
Davidson
one.
100th anniversary.
We're
so
not
weren't the
doing that.
later ones not supercharged, though? Wasn't the deal that only the early ones were supercharged?
That I do not know.
This is something you
Because
have
then they
to
started
know.
making the Lightning, and that's kind of what I thought. And so you lose. I don't remember. I got to look it all up.
Nick, this is information that I fully expect is in your.
I
wheelhouse.
have looked at buying them in the past. I can't get over the flames in Boston of the center console, but they're otherwise
sorry,
pretty cool.
you know,
It's too much
You
even
can't
for me.
stop thinking about them, or
No, it's too much.
it's not.
It's too much.
It's just right.
We need something between Joseph Aboud and Harley Davidson and the level of refinement for me.
Joseph Aboud being the peak level of refinement in Nick's mind. Okay, makes sense. We're all going to take that, even though we didn't get the 100th thing right. But
Yeah,
I think
I
all
mean,
the
nobody
two-tones
does.
were the 100th. But whatever, we're close enough. Next one. Oh, yeah.
Easy.
yeah.
I
Wait a minute. You know what?
feel like I can't more closely associate a car and a place than this.
Yep.
And I'm giving
You're
it away.
overthinking this, Doug.
All right.
Or are you?
Lexus did a lot of special editions.
They did.
Do you remember the Thundercloud?
No.
They did an RX 330 Thundercloud edition, which I hope doesn't come up next.
What
because I
is
just told-
Thundercloud?
It had distinct wheels.
But what is Thundercloud? Like what?
It had like gray
no, no, no.
trimming.
What did the edition include?
What is a
What
Thundercloud?
It had gray trimming to symbolize like
it's a
a storm
cloud that
cloud.
lightning and
it,
thunder
it
comes
wasn't a
out.
collaboration.
No,
special
it was
edition.
just a thundercloud.
Thundercloud. Okay.
All right.
Like the Nissan Rogue Black.
Flippies, SC430. We all said Pebble,
Pebble
Beach.
Beach. Oh, I said
except for
Monterey edition.
Monterey is wrong. Pebble Beach edition. I thought the Pebble Beach had different wheels than this, but I guess
This one may have had the wrong wheels, but the color's right.
It's on
Yeah.
Haynes.
Minus.
The commenters love when we say Hayne as many times as possible.
I know they really hate that. They're Hain. Their hatred for us is Hain.
My wife started using Hayne in conversation, and I'm like deeply worried about her.
All right, next
Deeply,
one,
huh?
please.
Yeah,
the Bronco too.
Two, yeah.
Damn, I think you may have finally stumped me.
What is a special edition?
I'm gonna throw a Hail Mary.
I
here.
actually remember this.
Do you?
Yeah, but I can't remember what it is. I remember this.
Those are such period correct wheels too.
Yeah. Whatever the special edition was, they were just like,
Got some
let's get some
fender
aftermarket.
flares in the back. I mean, it's
Uh,
Safari windows. It's collector's grade right here. Sultan had 10 of
They
them.
all had Safari windows.
I'm guessing you too could have owned this for $6,400 on our site.
That's
Yeah, we should guess the bids too.
What about Pebble Beach? Probably 50 grand. All right,
There's
flip
20.
them, flip them, flip them.
I
said
made a guess.
Rodeo
I said the
edition,
LL Bean
Eddie
edition.
Bauer, what did you say?
Orvis.
Instead of, yeah. Ooh, Orvis would have been good.
What is it?
Orvis was cheap though.
What is it?
What?
Eddie
It was
Bauer!
just Eddie
Oh my
Bauer.
God!
See, the paint scheme is what made it feel Eddie Bauer.
It did feel Eddie Bauer.
And it was that era.
I
Well, I
never
knew
really
of the-
realized that they did
Nice.
a Bronco Eddie Bauer also.
Me neither.
The Explorer was obviously famous for it, although this is a 1990 Bronco. The Explorer
Right.
didn't come out until 91. That means the Eddie Bauer
That's where
started.
it started.
Wow.
Didn't they have an Orvis edition Explorer? Am I imagining that?
No,
that's
they
a
had,
Jeep.
They had the,
Grand
the
Cherokee.
Jeep. No, but the Eddie
green
Bauer,
with
I think,
red
was
and-
the only. Orvis was the Jeep.
I was gonna put Eddie Bauer, then I thought maybe
Right.
they went for a different brand.
That's why I went with LL Bean as like
Yeah,
a joke.
reasonable.
but turns out.
Orvis was the Jeep. Ford did Eddie Bauer, and then General Motors teamed up with the local bail bondsman for a special edition on the K5 Blazer.
The local loan shark.
The local get you out of
GM
jail
also
after
had a
DUI.
Disney collab
Well,
on the
hey-
minivans.
Oh, yeah.
Mercury had the Nautica.
Look how close I
does
was.
that- Are we tied at 5?
I think so. I think I caught up 1
And
point
you
on
are
you.
at 7, 6.
Oh boy, I'm a window problem.
Once
Next
again,
one.
I'm a rounding error.
Yep.
Ooh.
Oh, obviously.
Oh, I remember.
I mean,
this.
come on, guys.
Kind of.
Hurry up. If I'm wrong now, it's going to be really
You
embarrassing.
wrote it so quickly, but
I don't write the car name because I was told I didn't have to.
I just peeked at Kennan's board and it says Lincoln. Not very helpful.
I'm on the right.
You gotta
You are
be
on the
careful
right
who you
track.
copy homework from.
You are on the right track.
you know this.
Yeah,
one.
100%. I'm like confident.
Darn it. You're gonna take the lead again. For
I
Sofo.
am not confident. Damn. How could I have messed up some? All right, we ready to flip?
I was so confident. Now I'm losing confidence.
Flippy, 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 flippy. You flip
I
it.
had nothing.
I wrote Jack Nicklaus.
Cartier.
What is it?
Oh, Cartier edition?
Cartier.
Oh.
No. No. We'll never know.
Never.
Spinnaker.
Oh.
Yes, I remember
Isn't
that.
there a Cartier
I
edition
wrote
of
Jack
Town Car?
Nicklaus. Was the Jack Nicklaus edition on the previous body? Town car? It had a green interior.
I know what you're
thought.
talking about. I think so, but wasn't there a Cartier edition of this town car?
There were Cartier Lincolns.
Was it the next town car?
I can't.
Oh.
I may have been the next town
Oh,
car.
I think you and I were both closer
Spinnaker.
than they were. though.
Spinnaker's
Yeah, we
obscure.
didn't
Kenan,
get it. Nobody
Kenan,
got
what
it.
did you write down?
I just didn't.
All
I
right,
basically
we both
was
had
like-
question marks.
Very
Very obscure indeed.
obscure. We're doing
Well
great,
chosen.
though. We're doing
You're beating me, which is really frustrating.
Barely though. All right,
Real
next one.
frustrating.
Next one. Next one. Next one. Next one. Next one.
Oh, obviously. Come on, guys. We sold one of these? We auctioned one of these? Really? I would have bid. So,
Remember the other one?
oh no. Am I thinking of the other one? No, I'm right.
No, I mean the other car that also had this edition.
Oh yeah, of course.
I like that one more.
Yeah. Kennan's gonna go first, and then Nick. We'll make this a little more dramatic.
No, I'm not
Ken
doing
and
that.
I have the
Please,
Nick
Nick.
same guess.
Please, Nick.
Yeah.
Turn just yours.
Both.
What do you got?
Polestar?
No,
Kennan?
same thing. Both
Polestar.
guesses.
It
He
is
wrote
the
XC90.
Ocean Race.
Ocean Race Edition.
V90.
Oh,
Ocean
XC.
Race.
that makes sense.
But the XC90 Ocean Race was like had the blue trim.
Yeah, I remember. It looked better than this. This is not one of the most beautiful.
No, it's not.
Special
I
editions.
think the regular V90 looks better, but I would rather have the special edition because I want to be cool.
Right.
Yeah. I mean,
Okay, we've finished our challenge and I have won.
but barely.
Big.
I
Poor
mean, yeah.
Kenan.
You enjoy your cynical nonsense, rubbish vehicles.
Tell us how you really feel, Kenan.
I believe in buying truly special cars, not
288
BS.
GTO or better.
That's exactly right. I buy real cars.
Thanks for watching, everyone.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.